This is Thean Hou Temple in Kuala Lumpur. And in this video, I'll show you everything you shouldn't miss. Join me as we explore Thean Hou Temple together. If you're wondering how to get to Thean Hou Temple, click the top corner of the screen. Thean Hou Temple is open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Take note, during sunny days, temperatures in Kuala Lumpur often exceeds 32 degrees, so we recommend going around 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. onwards, also for better photography. You'll find traditional Chinese statues like Guan Yin, Goddess of Mercy, surrounded by a tranquil pond where visitors can feed the colorful koi fish. Visitors can toss coins into the pond as a symbol of luck and blessing. Another Chinese statue is Yu Lao, also known as the god of marriage. He carries a book containing the names of the destined couples. Beside, you can also see the golden wishing tree decorated with red ribbons and heart-shaped ornaments. One of the highlights of Thean Hou Temple is the Chinese Zodiac garden. Each animal represents a different birth year in the Chinese lunar calendar. And many visitors enjoy finding their zodiac sign and learning about its meaning. Lower ground is home to a food court and refreshment stalls. Best place to buy drinks, food, and even ice cream. Before leaving, be sure to stop by the souvenir shops. Here, you'll find a variety of gifts, traditional Chinese decorations, lucky charms, postcards, keychains, and more. It's a great place to bring home a reminder of your visit to Thean Hou Temple. If you're feeling hungry, the ground floor features a food court where visitors can enjoy local Malaysian and Chinese cuisine. The ground floor of Thean Hou Temple is also a home to a marriage registration office, making it a popular venue for couples looking to register their marriage in a unique cultural setting. At the entrance of Thean Hou Temple, you will notice a big red door. This is the multi-purpose hall. It's one of the temple's main event spaces, hosting a variety of cultural, community, and social activities throughout the year. The second floor of the temple features three popular areas: the main prayer hall, the lantern courtyard, and the open terrace. Let's take a closer look at each one. The lantern courtyard is one of the most popular and photographed spots at Thean Hou Temple. When lanterns are added, the courtyard transforms into a glowing sea of red and gold, creating a festive and vibrant atmosphere filled with warmth and celebration. It's also a popular spot for weddings, gatherings, and cultural events, making it one of the most photogenic and meaningful areas in the temple. Devotees gather here to offer prayers, light incense, and make offerings while seeking blessings for health, happiness, prosperity, and good fortune. After offering prayers, many devotees take part of Kao Ching, a traditional Chinese fortune-telling ritual. They shake a container filled with numbered bamboo sticks until one stick falls out. The number on the stick is then matched to a corresponding fortune slip, which provides guidance, blessings, or insights into their questions about life, health, relationships, or career. At the heart of main prayer hall stand three deities. In the center is Mazu, also known as Thean Hou, the goddess of sea and temple's principal deity. To the right is Guan Yin, the goddess of mercy. While to the left is Shu Wei Sheng Nyang, the goddess of waterfront. The open terrace offers a beautiful views of Kuala Lumpur and the temple's iconic architecture. It's a popular spot for photos, sightseeing, and enjoying the peaceful atmosphere from above. Located beside the open terrace is a small prayer room where visitors can offer prayers in a quieter and more intimate setting. Many devotees stop here to pray for blessings, protection, peace, and family well-being. At the top floor, visitors can admire the temple's traditional Chinese design. Features multi-tiered roofs decorated with intricate carvings, vibrant colors, and elegant details. When you go inside one of the towers, you will notice a large ceremonial drum and the other tower with giant bronze bell. At the corners of the roofs, you'll notice dragon and phoenix ornaments. In Chinese culture, the dragon symbolizes power, strength, and prosperity, while the phoenix represents grace, harmony, and good fortune. Together, they symbolize balance and blessings. Since Thean Hou Temple is positioned at the top of the hill, visitors are treated with panoramic view of Kuala Lumpur. Nestled in the peaceful back garden of Thean Hou Temple, a small statue of Guan Yin stands beside a gentle waterfall, offering a quiet space for reflection and prayer. Devotees often stop here to pray for peace, health, and blessings. This serene shrine beautifully reflects Guan Yin's compassion and the enduring faith of those who visit. Behind the temple are 24 filial exemplars, which is a well-known folklore in Chinese culture and Confucianism. They are great Gutian green sculptures, which have been ordered and brought in from Huiyang country of Fujian province of China. Each sculpture weighs 1 to 3 tons with a height exceeding 6 feet and 8 inches. Each sculpture comes with descriptions in Chinese, Malay, and English. Local tourists of other race, as well as those from overseas, could also apprehend the culture and virtues of the Chinese civilization. Thean Hou Temple also has peaceful corners like this Chinese herb garden and Tortoise pond. In here, you'll see various medicinal and aromatic plants. This pond is home to many turtles of different sizes. The pond's calm atmosphere makes it one of the temple's most relaxing and charming corners. Hidden at the back of Thean Hou Temple is this colorful rainbow staircase. Its vibrant colors make it one of the temple's most photogenic spots while enjoying a different side of temple's charm. The giant Chinese chessboard is officially recognized as Malaysia's largest Chinese chess set replica. Right below is a heart-shaped flower display with the words "Love You Forever," making this romantic corner a favorite spot for couples and newlyweds to capture special memories. Thank you for exploring Thean Hou Temple with me. Until next time, keep exploring and never stop discovering.